Hi, I'm Brittany with Brittany Marshall Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how to get all of this body with Velcro rollers. So it's just a simple tutorial showing you how to blow dry your hair, getting body with Velcro rollers, and a round brush. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow all my social media. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, first you're going to start out by blow drying your roots. You're going to get your hair about 85 to 90% dry before you actually start round brushing. That way you're not just wasting all of your energy with the round brush. Then you're going to section a U shape from the temples to the back of your head and just put a little clip in there. The first spot where you want the most body is going to be right here, right by, this is called your occipital bone, and we're going to round brush this up, really over directing your brush, which means you're going to pull it up as you're blow drying this, getting it ready for that Velcro roller. You're going to take the Velcro roller and over direct your hair, so pull it all forward to the front of your forehead and then roll down with it. You're then going to take a second section above the first roller. It's going to be about 2 inches in depth, and make sure these sections are only as wide as the Velcro roller, because you see I have some hair falling over, you'll get a lot more than that. So start out with the round brush and your blow dryer and just blow dry as much as you can. We're trying to get this pretty dry, and your hair will be hot, so then that's whenever you come in with the Velcro roller once it's 100% dry and warm. Put the Velcro roller in, and basically it just sets your hair until it cools off, so you get all of that body. Think of it as if you were doing this and your hair was hot and then you let it go. It's obviously got to cool down, so it's probably going to fall if you just let it go. Well, when you're putting these Velcro rollers in, you're creating, you know, like a hump essentially for the hair to cool down on, so you get all of this body. And this is the last section that I'm actually going to put in a Velcro roller. The front we're going to use our round brush. So just like the other two, get this completely dry and then take the Velcro roller, over direct it to the front of your head, pull the Velcro roller through and roll it down. Another tip that you can use if the Velcro rollers are not staying is you can get a bobby pin, just a small one, or even like a double prong clip, and just slide underneath the hi Aniston, underneath of the Velcro roller if you're having trouble with them staying put. I just kind of clip my bangs out of the way, and now I'm just gonna round brush the rest of my hair while those Velcro rollers are setting so I can get body up top. Just round brushing all this under. After you've dried the bottom of your hair, you're going to take the blow dryer, put it on cool, and hit all of these Velcro rollers one last time. And then I'm going to take my bangs down and I'm going to blow dry them with a round brush under. I'm just bringing them down in front of my face and blow drying under. And eventually, once I get them all the way dry, I'm going to wrap them around the round brush and actually use the round brush as a Velcro roller. Alright, down you go. And now you want to hit all of these one last time with the cool option on your blow dryer to completely set them. I'm then going to take my bangs out. Whoa, you see how much body that is already? That's just the bangs. So they're kind of crazy, so I'm going to blow dry them under. Just hit them just really quick. I don't want to take any of that body out, so I'm just kind of straightening them out. And then I'm going to begin to take all of these Velcro rollers out one by one. See, so that's not teased. That is all body from these Velcro rollers. Super bouncy, easy, fun. You can do this really quick. And you can even put curl in it afterwards, and your curl will have bounce. Anyways, I hope that you liked this tutorial. I hope you get lots of body from it, and I hope that you have a fabulous day with your Velcro rollers. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe so you get all the latest videos at Brittany Marshall Beauty. Have a good day.